G'day traders, Stacey, Burke, 1 minute mindset reset, probably a couple minutes longer, but today we're talking about discipline in trading and the importance of discipline. I love Jocko Willink's approach to daily life because discipline equals freedom, and nothing is more relevant to trading than discipline. And his quote, "Don't expect to be motivated every day to get out there and make things happen. You won't be. Don't count on motivation, count on discipline." And the reason I'm doing this mindset reset is I got a comment from a trader. I'm not sure if it's a trader or a troll. I'm not sure because I'll read their comment on the psychology video that I put out the other day regarding discipline. The main problem traders have is that they do not understand psychology enough. For example, the assumption that it is oftentimes a matter of discipline for more trading success is wrong and often used by traders with some discipline background as an argument or as an excuse for a lack of social skills. This is neither helpful nor proven, but it sounds good. I know that no one wants to hear this, but you will not become a better trader watching YouTube videos about trading and psychology. It doesn't work this way and does not fit your individual needs to become better. Well, I totally disagree, Michael, and I'm going to explain why. I believe that it is discipline that will enable you to succeed in trading consistently over time. But the number one thing that you need first is you need to have an edge in the markets. Not just a strategy, but you need to actually have an edge that you can prove over time consistently has edge in different types of markets, whether you use different edges, different strategies, different setups, but you need to have edge. The difference between a person or a trader who is consistently profitable and a person who is not consistently profitable, or a trader who is not consistently profitable, if they both have edge. So number one, if you don't have edge, you'll never be consistently profitable. Hands down, bottom line. So what is consistently profitable disciplined trader that has edge? What do they do different that would separate them? What makes, if discipline has no bound, if it has no meaning and it's irrelevant in trading, going back to your comment, the disciplined trader has a trading plan, and he has or she has trading setups. The undisciplined trader, the trader with no discipline, trades whatever they think. They trade what they see is moving. They trade what they think is going to go up or they think is going to go down. They just trade, and they trade whatever time they want. They have no set routine. The disciplined trader, the difference between the two traders in the next part is that a trader with discipline will execute their trading setup entries. When they show up and when they present, they will execute the trade. The undisciplined trader will take random trades. They'll take certain trades that they see when they think the market's going to do something, and then the next time they won't take that trade. They might take a different trade later today or maybe tomorrow, or they'll trade for a few hours and then they'll take a few other trades because they think that the market's going to do a few certain things. But there's no routine there. There's no actual strategy where they need to execute based on their trading system. The disciplined trader will manage the risk on each trade, regardless of having had a loss, regardless if they'd had a fight with their spouse or a friend, regardless if they're emotional or angry. They will manage their risk on the trade or not trade at all. The undisciplined trader will vary leverage based on what their P&L says. If they've had a good run, they'll over leverage because their overconfidence will cause them to take impulsive, irrational trades because of their exuberance. And when they're beat down, they'll either try to get back to the high water mark and take too much leverage on a poor quality setup, or they'll under leverage on a high quality setup. They vary their leverage based on how they feel or what they think on the day. The disciplined trader takes profit consistently. They have a set profit target, or they know when they're going to take their profits. They know when they're going to exit the trade. The undisciplined trader will hold on to losers. They'll cut their winners short, or they'll hold on to a winner and let it come all the way back down and stop them out at break even or with a loss. There's no executable strategy that's consistent with them holding winners and cutting losers. The disciplined trader has trade management rules that they follow. The undisciplined trader wings it on every trade inconsistently as they go. They vary how they manage a trade on a trade-by-trade basis. There is no consistency to their trade management rules. The disciplined trader will review their trading performance, how well they've executed their trades, whether they're end of day, intraday, algorithmically. They'll monitor the results of their system and their live performance executions, their behavior at the screen, their ability to manage risk on their trades and cut their losses and extract profits from the market. What can they do better? That's what they want to know. How can I keep improving? The undisciplined trader has no review process. They don't review any of their trades. They just go on to the next trade and they don't worry about it because they know what they're doing. So they don't need to know about how their live performance was because it's not their fault. It's the market's fault, the broker's fault. It's somebody else's fault. So they don't bother reviewing any of their trades. They don't review any of their behavior. They don't review any of their routine or their process. The disciplined trader, though, is emotionally oriented while at the screen. They're not reactive or impulsive because they have a plan when they go to the screen. They know exactly what they're looking for. They know how long they're going to stay at the screen. They know when there's no trades and to get off of the screen. The undisciplined trader will get emotional. They'll revenge trade. They'll get anger trades. They'll get impulsive, impatient. Impatience is one of the number one reasons why traders will overtrade. They can't be patient and wait for the best opportunities. The disciplined trader has a routine and a process that they approach the market with each and every day that's consistent with their trade plan. The undisciplined trader has no routine. They have no process. They just randomly decide when they're going to trade. They might trade London every day, but there's no routine or process to identifying the best candidates for best trade setups. They just trade what they think is moving, or they trade one instrument. The disciplined trader plans their trades and trades their plan. The undisciplined trader doesn't plan. They just trade. And we'll see how it goes today, and then we'll do it again tomorrow. Maybe it'll be better, maybe it won't. It's not my fault. The disciplined trader consistently grows their trading account and improves their results consistently over time because everything is aligned with them getting 1% better every single day. The undisciplined trader consistently blows their trading account, and they repeat the process and hope that it's different with the next account. So your choice. You can be a disciplined trader or an undisciplined trader, because if discipline is relevant to you and you believe that discipline equals freedom and the improvement in your results and the improvement with your trading performance, then I would encourage you to consistently be disciplined. If you don't think discipline matters, well, hopefully it'll be different next time. Hopefully you got value from that video today, traders. I believe that discipline is a key pillar in developing consistently profitable trading and improving your results and growing your trading account over time consistently, week in and week out, year in and year out. And if you can do that, discipline equals freedom. Have a great day.